Hi and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm gonna show you how to use the Bancor network. This is the latest exchange on which you can buy or sell DRT. So let's begin. Let's go to bancor.network. So this is the landing page where you can see all the tokens that you can buy or sell. And in the list you will find DRT. So you probably want to buy DRT, so let's just click on buy. Okay, so here Bancor is telling you that you can't buy DRT directly on the website, and you're gonna have to use a Web3 wallet. So let's just create one if you don't already have one, which could be Metamask, Parity, or Mist. We're gonna just create a Metamask wallet. So here's the Metamask website. Just get the Chrome extension. That's something I forgot to say, but this wallet only works on Chrome, so you can't use it on Safari or anything else. So once you're done playing with the little fox, just get the Chrome extension here, there, then say add to Chrome. There you go. And the extension is just added over here. So let's start setting up our Metamask wallet. It's pretty easy. You'll get a privacy notice, just accept, then read the term of use, and then accept. Now you'll need to create a password, so just type in any password you want. And then confirm the password. Then click on create. There you go. So now Metamask is going to give you 12 random words that you're gonna have to keep in a very safe place, and they'll be used to recover your wallet in case you have a problem with it. You're the only one who should know the 12 words, and just write them on a piece of paper somewhere, maybe keep a digital copy somewhere too. This is very important, so don't forget this step. You should now have backed up your 12 words in a safe place, so just confirm to Metamask that you have done so. I've copied it somewhere safe. And now you're all set. So this is your wallet. As you can see, there's nothing on it. You're on the main network. You might be on this one as a start, but just go into the main network for the wallet to work. So the next step now is that you're gonna have to send Ethereum to this wallet so that you can use this Ethereum on Bancor. So here, just click on copy address to clipboard, and that's going to copy the address of this wallet in your clipboard so that you can send the Ethereum directly from your ledger or from any other wallet it is stored onto. So as you can see, I've added some Ethereum to this account, and now I'm gonna be able to use it on Bancor. So let's go to Bancor network. There you go, there, let's find the DRT and click buy. As you can see, you don't get this message telling you need a Web3 wallet anymore, because you do have a Web3 wallet and it's Metamask. You can see the little fox here, meaning that you're using your Metamask wallet. So we want to buy DRT, but you can also sell, it just depends, so pick the option you want. Let's say I want to buy 400 DRT, so that will cost me 0.0213 blah 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 Ethereum. You can also go the other way around. If you don't want to choose the DRT amount, you can choose the Ethereum amount you want to spend for a given number of DRT. So maybe you don't want to spend 0.02, but maybe 0.01, and that would amount to 187 something DRT. But here I want to buy 400 DRT. As you can see here, the amount of Ethereum I'm going to pay is not the entire amount I have on my wallet, because you have to remember that for any transaction to go through on the Ethereum blockchain, you need some gas payment. So if you spend all your Ethereum in the transaction, you won't have any Ethereum left for any further transaction until you top up your wallet with some more Ethereum. So that's very important. Just don't forget to leave some Ethereum on the side for any further gas payments. Then underneath you have the advanced setting. That's if you want to put a price limit. That means that would be if you don't want to buy the DRT at the market price, but at a set price you have decided. Otherwise, if you use this simple option and you want to buy your 400 DRTs, it's just gonna go through straight away at market price. So if you're not familiar with the exchanges and buying DRT yet, just use the simple option and buy at market price, really. So we've reviewed our order, everything looks fine, so let's just click buy. You're gonna get a little message telling you the estimated gas price. This is the gas price I was telling you about previously, so you can change that anyway, so it's just informative. And then click proceed. Your Metamask wallet will open, telling you that a transaction wants to be made. So this transaction is gonna cost you, with gas price and everything, it's gonna cost you 0.024636 Ethereum, which is okay for us because it's underneath the entire amount of Ethereum we have on this wallet, so everything looks fine. And then just submit to confirm. So now the transaction is confirmed. It's not yet completed because it needs some confirmation on the blockchain, but you have this transaction hash that's going to allow you to see the status of the transaction on Etherscan. So let's view this transaction on Etherscan. There you go. And it's already been a success. We have this confirmation, and here it just says success. So it means the transaction went through. So here in my Metamask wallet, you can see that I have less Ethereum than I used to have. So that's another proof that the transaction actually went through. But if I go to tokens, the DRT I just bought is not showing up. So there's an easy way to fix that, and that's what we're gonna see right now. Okay, so to add the DRT to our Metamask wallet, that's pretty easy. We're just gonna have to go to Etherscan first. So go to Etherscan and just here you're gonna have to copy the address of your wallet. So just copy the address to the clipboard, then Ctrl V or Command V and just go. This is gonna show you what's on your wallet, and here you can see in the token tracker, you can see view token, and there you go, your 400 DRT is right here. So just click on it and you're gonna get the contract address for this DRT. So this is what you want to copy and add to your Metamask wallet. So there, Ctrl C, then go back to your Metamask wallet, just click on add token. Here, just copy the contract address you just took from here. The token symbol is DRT. The decimals of precision are 8, and that's where you can see it. Token decimals 8, and here it's 8, and then just add. So it might not show up straight away, just open and close your Metamask wallet and it's just gonna appear right here in your tokens. You can see I now have a little more than 400 DRT because this amount just depends on how much gas you paid for the transaction. So I guess here the price of the transaction, the gas payment for the transaction wasn't as high as anticipated, so I got a little more DRT than I should have for this transaction, which is always good. That's it. Now you have 400 DRT on your Metamask wallet. Here I still have my Ethereum. Everything looks good to me. So that's it. That's how you buy DRT on Bancor. Thanks for watching.